Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help. Thank you. That's enough for today. Please watch and vote.
Hi friends, my name is Dr. Swami from Gumucharbaz, and this week our topic is greenless. You know that the greenless is very important in our life. Without greenless, our life is incomplete, and I like greenless. And if we greenless means tree and plant, and I live in India, and there are lots of greenless in our world, and I like it. And without greenless, I can't live in this world, and a lot of people can't live in this world. So I like Greenland, and some people like Greenland, some people like AI, and they are thinking that if I am robot, if the world is robot, then I will do very enjoy. But no, they are wrong. We should live in only Greenland. I live in forest area, so I there are lots of tree and plants. Thank you, bye, bye, friends.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I want to speak about greenery. I hope you like my video and speech. So let's start. Long time ago, our earth was surrounded by forest. Greenery was visible all around. But as time passed, as man developed, forest trees were cut down, and today a situation has arisen that very few trees are seen on the earth. The reason behind it, this is the indiscriminate cutting of forest. If there is a greenery all around us, the atmosphere looks beautiful, cool. The problem of global warming is reduces. Therefore, we should plant more and more trees all around us so that nature is balanced, because trees give us wood for fuel. Trees give us pure oxygen to live. Trees give us flowers, fruits, and herbs. So many medicines are made from the tree roots. So we should plant trees and save our nature, because a woman, just as woman doesn't look good without jewelry, ornament, then our earth doesn't look good without greenery. So greenery is very important, because our earth looks paradise with the greenery. So we should at least 10 to 15 trees plant in a year. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you. Thanks for listening to me. Thank you.